Our next scholar is Kayla Marie Mateo. She attends St. Bernard, where she is a senior. The sponsor is Dominion, and the presenter is John Dougherty, Site Vice President of Millstone here in Waterford. John.
Una palabra, cultura. One word, culture. Yo vengo de amor y esperanza. I come from love and hope. From two beautiful people that fell in love, who rooted their daughter in love, hope, and strength. But he didn't know that. To him, I echoed every single stereotype society shrieked at me. What's up, nigga? He spat. My classmate claimed himself to have the nigga pass and say a word that means so much more than what he was ever taught. He did not see my ancestors' pain when being identified by such a term. He did not see my people being brought from the Dominican Republic as African slaves. One word, culture. Una palabra, cultura. 8th graders, I encourage you to dig into your roots, plant love into every person you encounter, harvest hope in your community with your words, just as Dr. King did with his. I would like to thank Dominion for initiating the first steps of my future. Because of you, I will continue my father's legacy of being an engineer. God, I thank you. Your grace is unmerited and undeserved. I will forever keep you in my heart. Mami, Papi, y Yamila, your love is truly my home. I will never stop making you proud. I love you.